What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Everyday Minimalist. My name is Brandon, and this video marks part 1 of a 5-part series for Blade Show, Texas. My brother Balin and I are actually flying down to Fort Worth a little bit early, and we're going to be visiting House of Blades Tactile Turn / Tactile Knife Co. And then I'm going to do my very best to show you guys what Blade Show is all about. We're going to be flying out in just a few hours, so I'm going to bring you guys along with. For now, sit back, relax, and let's get it.
Yeah. Tell them to watch it. Now I ain't talking my pockets, just know we ain't running out the way that we stock it. If I got it, you got it. If I call it, she slide and tell her to mop it. Yeah, I got that doing. Then she took that thing off and bring it around. I'm back in that bag again. Oh, say less. I'm back in that bag again. Yeah. Oh, say less. I'm back in that. Yeah. What you doing? Yeah. I'm back in that. Hey, where you going? Hey, back in that bag again. Bring me around your friends. You know that I'm bagging them.
The #1 sponsor for Everyday Minimalist. So if you plan on buying any knives from House of Blades, use code EDM, 10% off. But we're going to show you guys a quick shop tour. This is just going to be more so like a quick walk around type of thing. First, into this corner, Benchmade. All right, guys, we're here at the House of Blades. Guys, Adamus, if you're into the Bug Out, the Hunt series, if you want fixed blades, gold class, pretty much any of these knives, code EDM, 10% off. These things are all awesome. I think the #1 knife that I would pick in all of these would probably have to be the Bailout. How sick would it be if they had an Anthem? But the Bailout is sweet. First off, over here we've got some O-Lights. So the Arkfeld is a really good one that I can recommend. My most favorite O-Light is going to be the Warrior S or the Warrior 3S. That is a really dope light. Balin should probably pick up one of those. Next up, we've got some ZT knives. So there's a ton of different ZT knives in here. You can just go on their website, check them all out. There's like the 308, this ginormous one. You got some Sankovic designs. There's a Bowie back there. Under that, we've got some Tor knives, Curtis Customs. We've got some Chris Reeve knives, so if you want like a small Sabenza or an Nkosi with the Tonto blade, boom. And then here is the Victorinox area. It looks like they've sold out of a bunch of them. So Swiss Army knives, or sacks as we like to call them. I don't have a ton of these. I think I have like one daily custom sack in my collection. So if you guys have any like suggestions of what I should get next, let me know, because there's so many different variations, so many different sizes. It's all new to me. I want to learn more about this stuff. So let me know in the comments. Moving forward, we've got some Artisan Cutlery knives over here. They have the full Tactile Knife Co. seasonal release for the Rockwall. So you've got the Bear, the Golf Wall, the Dread Eye fixed blade, the original thumb stud Rockwall, all Magna cut, pretty sweet. Over here we've got some Kershaw Spyderco. There is some Giant Mouse in here. Protec wise, you've got, I believe, the Newport, the Whiskers, 2 Godsons, and then a bunch of Kershaw Autos up here in the top. Below, we've got some Giant Mouse. We've got the Ace Grand, the Ace Clyde, the Ace Biblio, lots of Giant Mouse. Next to that is where all the Spyderco is. This is a ton of Spyderco knives, guys. So there's like paramilitary 2s or PM2s. We got para 3s. There are Sankovic design Spydercos as well as the Shaman. Those are very, very hard to get. So if you're wanting to find one of those, just hit up my boy Chris at House of Blades. I'll leave his email in the description. Next up, more Kershaws. I mean, they are a big Kershaw dealer, as you can tell, as well as Spyderco. They're just a big dealer in general. We got some Buck knives over here from Marine X. I know, I see you, bro. More case knives. So these are very collectible slip joints. This is what I like to call the gas station corner. You do not want to buy any of these knives. I'm just not recommending them. Just save up a little bit extra money and go over to the Civivi corner, if anything. Like, seriously. I have this Joker knife. Don't do it, trust me. Over here, some interesting K-bar knives. So these are going to be more like military grade, I guess you can call them that. So over here is going to be fixed blades. We've got some Bradford knives. These are pretty cool. I mean, if you're trying to do bushcrafting, if you need a hard user, grab one of these. Next up, we got SEs. So if you're an SE fan, they've got pretty much all the SEs. SE4, SE5, I believe. The Azula, all of those are pretty cool. Lots of tomahawks / axes. I have one of those in my possession right now. We still have to test it out and see what it's all about. We're gonna walk back this way and show you guys the custom knife case. So inside this case is super interesting because normally they have like Shirogorov knives and crazy stuff. They're actually gonna be showcasing that at Blade Show Texas. So we'll show you guys that on Friday or Saturday. Up top, they've got the Combat Troodon Bounty Hunter. That thing is sick. Gil Bradley custom, I believe. Now, what's really interesting in this case specifically is this large Sebenza 21. Guys, look at that blade. So I was talking to Chris over here, and he said that a lot of people have tried to buy that specific knife, but the blade can only open a few times until it starts to like mess up. So they are keeping this one. They're not selling it. I wish I could buy that because it's a really, really cool piece. Right around the other side, some Microtech. So we've got a Microtech carbon with some Damascus. I'm guessing that's Vegas Forge. Then there is a Marfione custom along with a Microtech Hera frag. So that one's pretty sweet as well. So we got some Tactile Turn Deep Space seasonal releases. We've got some brass, copper, titanium, Leatherman's right below, some additional field notes looking notebooks, knife cases galore. Billin keeps saying they're Pelicans. They are Pelicans, but I believe those are Nalpac foam inserts. So if you travel a lot, you want to bring your knives with you, secure them, perfect. We got some House of Blades merch on this side. Really clean looking. I mean, if you want shirts, if you want some hats, they make these in-house. More Oakley hats, and then we move into the Yeti section. We got a bunch of Yeti coolers over on this side. Come along, come along. We got all the Yeti cups. It is literally Yeti galore over here. And the cool thing is they actually customize these things. So if you wanted to put your own logo on there, if you wanted to put your own wording, anything like that, you can laser engrave them. And it's actually not too expensive. This side, we got some cutting boards. So if you're using kitchen knives, you can really just save that edge if you're cutting against this instead of just dry concrete. Kitchen knives. So I don't know a lot about kitchen knives at all, but it looks like they got Zwilling, Wustave, Victorinox, Shun. I mean, not much to say here. I need to learn a little bit more about kitchen knives. Moving into a really cool part of the shop. This is the laser area where they custom engrave everything. Basically, whenever you guys do a custom laser engrave order, it'll go on to something like this, and then you get a really, really good solid detail print on whatever you want, whether it be a blade, on a water bottle. Just really cool. So in this room, they are doing all of the sharpening. So basically these two things right here have been in prototype stages for about 2 years. Basically you can reprofile a blade with this belt sander thing as well as a strop. But I do want to check it out. I mean, they look dope. I don't really have a demo for you guys, but we'll check these out eventually. This is model 1, I think, revision 1. And then revision 2 looks quite a bit nicer. Now that we've gone through most of the shop, let's go pocket dump everyone and see what is in their pockets. Let's go. Guys, we've got Chris here. Actually, I should just have him introduce himself. What do you do here, man?
So I'm Chris. You know, I've talked to you guys in the chat and stuff before, but you know, I handle the online sales, ordering, things like that. You know, customer service. I do everything. I wear all the hats.
So, are you the one that hooks us up with the Zons? And
I'm the gatekeeper to the Zons, man. So I've got everything.
This is the man. If you want a Zon, hit him up. Maybe your email. I already told him that I'd throw it down in the description if that's cool.
House of Blades, or you know, my full name, Cristobal at House of Blades. I'll take care of you guys.
There we go. Okay, so what's in your pockets, man? Let's see.
So,
what do we got? What do we got?
Got a little custom slip for my beer bomb for that big Papa. I had to get it.
Dude, what's that slip?
So got the BP on the front, and then Matt Salazar, the general manager here, makes leather goods, so he hooked me up with that.
Oh, he just made that. Okay.
Yeah. And then, yeah, so that's pretty cool. What? I got the nice guy bead on there.
Dude, this is actually really clean. Wait, what's this?
So that is a McArmy tie key ring. I just toss it on there.
Dude, that's interesting.
Yeah.
What?
So this way now, instead of changing out the beads and having to untie everything, just pop the key ring off. So
I need to get a slip. That's the problem I had with my beer bomb. I brought it down.
And then the Overlander from the seasonal release for Tactile Turn. Yes. So I was like, that thing is actually beat up. I don't know if you can show the wear on that thing, man. But
come close. Yeah, that thing is beat. I love that, dude. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
So
okay.
That, and then obviously, you know, I say it every time.
The knife. The Arius. Hey, guess what? We're matching. I didn't do a pocket dump, Billin, where? Oh, let's go, man! And they're all different patterns. Yeah. Well, his doesn't have a pattern, but okay. Well, Chris, that's a sick carry, man. I really dig it. Thanks for having us down here. And we're gonna go pocket check maybe a couple more people. I'm gonna have Chris bring us with. He's just gonna be here chilling. So let's keep going. So we got Susie here, and apparently she does online sales stuff or photos. Okay, so she's the photographer for the online stuff as well as social media. What do you have on you?
So I just have the Spyderco. Looks like, I don't know if you can see that. I just like the design. Pretty knives.
That is like actually really pretty.
Yeah.
That's something that Ashley would like. Actually, so. Okay, we dig it. Do you have anything else on you?
I don't. I left it all at home.
Oh, that's okay. That's totally okay. Well, thanks for sharing, and we're gonna go visit more people. Okay, Andres, it's your turn, man.
My turn.
So I need to know what do you do?
I'm the assistant store manager for the House of Blades.
Okay, sweet. Well, it looks like you got some stuff on you, man. What do you have? Let's see
Let's
it.
start off with a knife. We got my Gen 4 XM18 harpoon spawn toe. It's probably the smoothest one I have.
Dude, that is very nice. Okay. Alright, he's packing some heat.
Then I have I got a beer bomb on me.
Dude, okay. That's the one that you have.
Yeah, Big Papa.
Big Papa.
Big
yeah.
Papa. I guess I do have a nice guy machine.
Ooh, dude, can I see that?
Yeah, side piece.
I want one.
Use it for boxes more than anything else.
Oh, really? Is it pretty sharp?
It's got a knife to score. I use the little corner on there. Nottingham Tactical.
Yep. Auntie Jamie has one of those.
Yeah, these are cool. Love it.
Dude, thank you so much for sharing. Good seeing you. What's up, man?
What's up?
What's your name?
My name's Brandon.
Okay. Oh, we have the same name. Is it Brandon?
Yeah, it is actually.
Dude, we've got the same name. Let's go. Okay. What do you do here?
I sell knives.
You sell knives. Cool. Okay. Let's see what's in your pockets, man. I'm kind of interested.
Let's see, I've got a Tac Force spring-assisted knife with my initials on it. I got this maybe 3 years ago as a Christmas present.
Wow. Okay.
It has kind of been beaten up a little bit, but it's still holding up. It's still.
Dude,
still
it does
working.
the job, right? And then
Yeah.
you can sharpen it right in the back.
Exactly. I also have
Oh, okay.
this antique hunting knife that I bought in an antique store. I didn't get it at a nice store. It's got an engraving on it. I got it for maybe like $50 probably. And
That
I've
is
had it-
actually really clean.
yeah, I've had it for well over a year and it's still holding up beautifully.
Wow, that's awesome, man. I really dig your rings and your bracelet as
Oh,
well.
thank you.
And your necklace.
Thank you.
Good
I
taste.
appreciate it.
But yeah, I guess this is Brandon.
Nice to meet y'all.
Same name. Thank you so much, man.
Of course.
So we just got done at House of Blades. Hopefully you guys enjoyed some of that shop tour and saw some of those pocket dumps. We're gonna go check into the hotel and then kind of settle down for a second, then head over to pick up a special guest. You guys may know who it is. Bazinga! Got Ron Kwok. Ron Kwok.
What's up, dude?
What's up, bro?
See you. You finally found me, dude.
Yeah, look at
What's
that
going
lens.
on? What's going on?
Oh, just hanging out. Look how big it is. Let's
It's
compare
pretty
sizes.
big. Let's compare sizes. Get out of here, dude.
Okay, we made it to Fort Worth, Texas. Blade Show Texas 2023 is happening right across the street in this convention center. We successfully picked up our boy Ron, flew a drone over the convention center, had a really good time. And matter of fact, shall we enter and say hi to Ron? What up, dude?
How you doing?
Are we struggling
What are
right
you
now?
up to?
We're struggling with internet.
Yeah, a little bit.
You know what? As I say hi.
You want me to focus on editing and then you whip out the camera.
You just gotta like give me the peace sign and go, yes!
What up, guys? Is that what you want?
Why you gotta sound drunk?
My name is Balin. I am a pack mule and Tactile's great.
You heard it here first, guys. Balin is the pack mule.
Alrighty guys, have a great rest of your night. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace out.